In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to download plugins and themes from your dashboard in WordPress. Today, I'm going to show you a very simple plugin that you can use to download your plugins and themes zip file directly from your WordPress dashboard without using FTP. To do this, first let's upload the plugin. Go to Plugins, then click on Add New. Click on Upload Plugin. I'll add the plugin link in the description below so you can download it. Then just click on Browse and select the plugin file from your computer. Click on Install Now to start the installation. Once the installation is complete, you get the option to activate the plugin. Click here to activate the plugin. Once the plugin is installed, you'll be redirected to the plugins page. Now, you don't have to configure the plugin. Once this plugin is installed, the download zip link is automatically added here, as you can see. And the same will happen for the themes too. So if I go to Appearance and click on Theme, you can see that the download zip option appears beside every theme that I have installed on the site. This is how you can download plugins and themes from your dashboard in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.